Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I will show you how you can access the recovery mode on this device. So to get started, we will need to turn off our device by holding power key and volume up. From there, select power off. And once the phone turns off, you want to hold power key and volume up again. Now when you see the Mi logo on the screen, immediately let go of the power key. So there we go. And as you can see, this takes us to recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use volume buttons to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now going over the options that we have access to, we have reboot, which takes us back to Android. We have wipe data, which just performs a factory reset of the device. Below that we have connect with Mi Assistant, which allows us to connect it on the computer, and then safe mode, which obviously boosts the device into safe mode. So there we go. So I'm gonna just stick with the first option, reboot. So I'm gonna confirm it with power key and do so once more because reboot to system is already selected. And this will just take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.